Hello everyone and welcome to the KMTRADERS channel. We are looking at the weekly analysis from last week. So we're just reviewing all of the trades that we look at the price action really and how the market played out, and then we will compare our analysis towards it. So beginning with GBPUSD, we participated that we were expecting the market to either come back up to the upside, test the top reversal zone, or we were willing to test the second reversal zone. Now we had that huge descent to the downside, so there was a lot of weakness in the pound. If you did get into a short trade, then that would have been perfect, as we didn't really find that retest of some sort. But we ended up heading towards our yellow reversal zone, so it will be interesting to see what happened next week. So there was no initial trade, although we missed this huge push to the downside. There was no opportunity for us to get in through this system that we're teaching. But obviously you get those types of days where, or weeks where it's sometimes you won't be able to trade certain pairs with this system. So I just want you to expect. I want you to realize that when trading this sort of strategy really. So with EURUSD, we can see we've sideways moved, very choppy until we had that break to the downside. We had that rejection of this weekly level. If you noticed that. Strong bearish engulfing candle off that, so if you did take a short from there, that's possibly the only opportunity that we had with EURUSD here for a potential profit. Now if we have a look, that's around 45 pips, so it's quite of a tricky one to relate to that one on that trade, so not too obvious there, but if you did manage to spot that, then that would have been a great trade. Coming to USDJPY, we had that rejection to the upside. We were testing it a few times. I was just waiting for that final touch. We spoke about this morning star. Now I'm not really sure if we touched upon it on this channel at all, but this is a type of reversal pattern that is quite key as a 1, 2, 3 formation, and that would have sent us to the second zone and caught this little drop. If you would have put that to break even, you still be in this trade, but nonetheless, don't worry too much about that. We can still capitalize on moves. I do believe that we can make a move, capture a move, sorry, next week, or whenever we can really. With gold, we can see that we've had a very sideways movement again coming into December as well. Remember that less volatility now, especially coming up towards the end of the year. So I do expect some choppy sideways movement, but gold obviously is quite evident here, rejecting this zone multiple times. So we could see this eventually roll over or eventually push to the upside. So also as we're coming to our daily downtrend as well. And finally, moving on to the cryptocurrencies with Bitcoin, we can see that we've had that push into our reversal zone and a strong bullish engulfing candle. Also, that evening star here, so that's some good momentum to the upside there. A good couple hundred pips on that, actually, 400 pips. We'll see now maybe if this could spark the bullish trend. As we can see here, we've got a double bottom. Only time will tell if this will continue to upsoar. And finally, with Ripple, we saw this huge downturn with the Ripple and capturing into this new reversal zone here. So we just have to see. We didn't manage to get into that pullback state that we was looking for, but we had a huge push to the downside. So did miss that shorting opportunity, but like I said, not every single trade and move you're able to capitalize on. It's only the select ones that work, and hopefully you get to understand, well, hopefully you should understand that that you can't obviously trade every single moving pair really. So hopefully this helps you just to look over each week and starting to formulate some good practices in trading really, looking at the weekly candle, the monthly, the daily. It's part of the reason why we do these videos. So like I said, if you do enjoy these videos, or they are helping you, or you are following along, make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel. for all of the future analysis videos, and hopefully you can start to learn and start trading very soon. So that will be all from us. Thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you tomorrow when we post our weekly analysis videos. So stay tuned for that. So thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you tomorrow.